Ready. 5 seconds. Start. The Muslim holy month of Ramzan will be different this year. Around the world, mosques will be closed, extended families will remain apart, and shopping malls, cafes, and streets will be early quit, even as the world grapples with COVID 19. The yearly rituals of Ramzan will continue throughout the holy month. Most of the world's 1.8 billion Muslims will fast between dawn and sunset, spend time in Quranic recitation, self reflection, and prayer in an effort to come closer to God and give thanks for our blessings. And this year, our prayers will include a special emphasis on the healthcare workers, emergency workers, and other essential employees who are on the front lines of the fight to protect our communities. The Quran likens saving a life to saving the whole of humanity, and Prophet Muhammad says that the best of humans are those who benefit other humans. Perhaps the most difficult obligation for many, though, will be foregoing the long planned gatherings of the season in order to comply with precautions issued by the authorities. But following these measures is a duty of our citizenship and a necessity of our social responsibility to respect God's law in the universe. For instance, Prophet Muhammad advised Quran teening a town in the event of an infectious disease. Each of us should take the extra time and space afforded by the pandemic's social distancing measures as an opportunity for further examination of our connection with God, our families, and our core values. This times offers a mandatory retreat from the busy nature of our daily lives and a chance to turn towards God, deepening our faith, knowledge, and practice. We must take this time to connect with our communities in new ways, including making our spiritual resources accessible to younger generations using their language and their familiar technologies. As we enter Ramzan, it is paramount that we devote ourselves to helping those in need rather than finding others to blame, even as people, groups, or nations with whom we have had past differences may be suffering. Each of us must reject as inhuman the thought that anyone deserved a calamity. In a globalized world, nobody is isolated from a potent problem, be it environmental, medical, or economic. This is a time to share data and to collaborate to find solutions, realize our interdependence as nations, communities, and inhabitants of a global ecosystem. Stop.